Yes, yes. I want to say good morning or afternoon. Beat around my way home so big. Yeah. Wagi tele DYFA Wabagari. Yes, we are here. Yeah, yeah, one second. Yes, good morning. Happy Friday for everybody. Today we're just going to give away something to Tina Johnson and a free tutorial courtesy of True Beliefs Foundation this morning. So we're here at Miss Tina residence. Doesn't know what's happening, but we're going to bless her with something special this morning. And also, I want to we're gonna give two more gifts this morning, just as a blessing from Miss Ella for some of the wonderful work that people have been doing in our community. So let's keep it locked, all right? So enjoy the vibes, enjoy, lock it on, keep it locked on 91.7 FM DYFA. Ayo. So we're gonna meet up with the Lord Byron here. So just enjoy the vibes, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the vibes. Yeah, Banty, I'm calling Banty right now on the line. Let me see where. Yes, we're coming right back, ladies and gentlemen. Coming right back.